Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. So today we are doing a two-toned look. I really wanted to play with the Mikayla X Glamlite palette because she's actually doing a part 2 to their collaboration, and I already have it in my cart. Literally, it's not even out and I am ready to purchase it. Let me grab it really quick. So this is the first palette that they came out with, and it's such a beautiful palette in itself. The colors are gorgeous. The formula is amazing, and so I kind of wanted to honor this palette a little bit, give it some love before I do some tutorials with the other one. I do already have other tutorials with this palette. I will try to link them either in the description box or just kind of throw them around throughout the video and some cards, and you guys can click on those and kind of watch it. But I really took some inspiration from a Pinterest picture that I found. I was just scrolling through Pinterest as always at night, having nothing to do, and I came across this picture right here. I'm not sure if she's the actual creator of this, but it's Alma GP. If you guys know who she is, let me know in the comment section, but credit to her for inspiring this look. All right, enough talking, you guys. You already know. Grab your cafecito, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into today's makeup. Ugh, my eye lashes got stuck into my bottom lashes. Grab your cafecito, and let's start with today's Makeup Monday look. Hey girl, hey! So the lids have been primed using the Profusion Neutral Base shade. Okay. Starting off with the palette, this is Mikayla X Glamlite, and look at this beauty, you guys. I seriously need to play with the green ones. Let me know if I should play with those next. But for today, we're going to start off with the shade Rhody. This one is a baby blue, the pigment. Y'all, if you haven't tried any of the Glamlite palettes, you're definitely sleeping on this brand. I sleep on this brand, and every time that I use their shadows, I'm like, Karina, what are you doing using the same brands over and over again? Glamlite is pretty affordable, and the quality doesn't, it doesn't suffer, you know? So today we're doing a two-toned makeup look. Also, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more like these, where I do two different colors in one eye. Two-tone. That's what I don't know why I overcomplicate things. Anyway, so my brain just works like that, okay? So we're going to start off by packing the shade Rhody into the inner part of the eye. As you can see, I'm really making sure that I pack it in. It doesn't matter if you get it on the lid because we are going to cut the crease anyways. I'm going to take my Rephr brush, hands down one of my favorite brushes from the brand because the size fits perfectly into the crease. It hugs the crease. Even if you have hooded eyes, you're gonna love this brush. I will have all the brushes linked in the description box down below. I will try my best to do that in every single one of my videos in case you're wanting to step up your eyeshadow game and you're interested in seeing what brushes work best. These are the ones. So we're going to blend all that out, and then I am going to dip my brush into the Mario palette. This is the Master Mattes. I'm taking a little bit of that red toned shadow because I really wanted to go for like a brown neutral look to match my shirt. So I'm packing that into the crease. Now, I wanted to go in and blend everything right away. So I am going to be grabbing my Morphe M441, one of my favorite larger shader brushes. This one really creates a blown out look. It's definitely one of those brushes that you want to use to really diffuse the colors, not for any detailed work. You don't want to use it for that, but it's great for everyday base. So yeah, we're just going to keep on working with that color Hot Cocoa, blending it out. And I do go back a few times and dip my brush back into that shade just to re-emphasize the color and make sure that everything is showing nice and saturated. However you want, it's all personal preference. So once I have that, I do go back into the Mario palette and I pick up a bone shade, a vanilla shade, and I apply that underneath the brow bone. If you guys watch me or any of my Makeup Monday videos, you already know this. This is a must in my routine. So now I'm going to go back with a little bit more of that Hot Cocoa, and I'm going to just resaturate the eyes, I guess is the best way I can explain it, and blending everything out. Now I'm going to pick up my Morphe M433 brush one more time. This one is a little less dense and it's a little more flat. So as you can see, it really allows me to hug the crease and really create that like winged out effect. And this is that dark brown from the Master Matte palette. So again, you just always want to make sure you go back and check your work and make sure that everything looks nice and saturated. I don't even know what's the word to use, but you want to make sure that these are as bright as you can get them, really. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the shade Rhodey, and I am going to re-emphasize the color. I lost a lot of this while blending, so go back and check your work and make sure that you get it as poppin' as you possibly can. And I'm using a very, very light hand with this. You don't want to overblend. Now, off camera, I did cut my crease just to save you time, save me some time, and to create this beautiful crease. This is why I do the hack that I use the lash curler to cut the crease, because it seriously has changed the game so much for me. Now for the crease, as you can see, I am cleaning it up with a little bit of micellar water. And the reason why is because when I was cleaning the crease with the concealer, I did get a little bit of that blue eyeshadow transferred onto the lid. Now, if you're using a blue color on the lid, that's not an issue. But since I wanted to go with a bone white, off-white color, whatever you call it, I definitely didn't want that, because then it's going to look blue and white. So we're cleaning it up. It does take time and it's an extra step, but trust me, it is totally worth it. I'm going to go back with the Profusion base and I'm applying that onto the lid. I do not go heavy-handed with the base, but I make sure that I apply enough to cover the lid. And then I'm going to go back with my vanilla shade and I am applying that all over the lid. Now you can also do a shimmer shade. Again, makeup has no rules. Do whatever feels right to you, but I really wanted an all matte look and to just go based off of the picture that I saw. So I'm just packing it on, making sure that I don't apply this to any like areas that may crease. And then I'm going back with that dark brown from the Master Matte palette and I'm applying that to the outer part of the eye. When I do cut creases and I start working on my eyes on the outer corner, I like to start with the darkest shade first. For me, it's just easier that way. They blend out easier. And then I'm switching back to my Morphe M441 and diffusing that. As you can see, I bring the colors in to give me that gradient effect. I did pick up a little bit more of hot cocoa and I blended that in to create a softer effect. So now, girl, I am out of breath. I'm going to go back into the shade Rhodey and I'm just re-emphasizing the color. I did lose a little bit of that when I was cutting the crease, but here I'm just taking a little bit more and very lightly with light pressure blending the colors where they meet. I'm also using this brush from Dose of Colors. Super bomb. I love these little brushes that come with their palettes. And then going back into that vanilla shade and reapplying it onto the lid. For the waterline, I am using my LA Girl, yep, color in, I think it's called Fresh. Love this formula. It's so good, so creamy, so pigmented, and super long wearing. And then, of course, we're going to do the same to the lower lash line using the Master Matte palette, starting with the darkest color that is closest to the lash line. And then we're finishing off with hot cocoa. Now, for the lips, I wanted to create something matte. I love a matte lip. Let me know if you are a matte lip or gloss girl. I'm definitely more of a matte lip. So I'm going to use my favorite lip liner of life. I need Miss Kim K to bring these back because I am running low and I need another one. This is the KKW Nude 2 lip liner. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this hundreds of times. I love it that much. It's just like the perfect mid-tone brown and it makes any nude lipstick just pop. So the other day I went to Ulta and I was looking at the makeup from Miss Kylie and she had a shade and it really caught my attention called Exposed. Girl, this formula is so good. The lipstick is like super lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky, heavy. It's not very velvety, but you can hardly feel that it's on the lips. I really like this formula. So anyways, we're just going to blend that in. I just like to use a little brush to blend everything in so you don't see any harsh lines between the lip liner and the lipstick. And yeah, you guys, that is the end of this look. What do you guys think? So you can totally add a gloss to this look, but honestly, I live for a good full matte look. Like the fact that the eyes are matte and the lips are matte, oh, that just makes mi corazón so happy. What do you guys think of this look? Please share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you recreate it as well, please tag me on Instagram at Ohmglashes. I also have Twitter. I don't really use it, but I'm always on there just scrolling aimlessly. TikTok, I'm always on there. So send me your recreations. I would love to see your take on this look. You can do so many colors. You can do blue, you can do purple, you can do pink, you can do orange. Honestly, orange will look super pretty. But teal, this like teal minty color is just really a vibe this season. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Subscribe to my channel for more Makeup Monday videos so you never miss them. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!